Hey bestie, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Tasia Michelle. Today we got UNice hair, and y'all, this video gonna kind of be annoying because I didn't record the parts that I should have recorded. I know y'all like, girl, when are you gonna ever get it together? And I'm working on it. Y'all, I used one color, but I didn't like it. It was kind of ugly. So I ended up using Kiss Blue Midnight and Kiss Royal Navy for the color that you're about to see later on in this video. Y'all know I use my hot water, mix the color in real good because you don't want patches on it. Dip your wig in there, do what you gotta do, and then it's gonna come out nice. I'm gonna show y'all the color that came out. Yeah, I didn't like that. So boom, we got this. Y'all, my computer's starting to breathe heavy. But yeah, I get my hot comb, I comb all the hair back, and then I'm gonna take my glue. Y'all, I got some new glue. Like, finally, I got some new glue. And I'm gonna use 4 layers of that. Make sure you add probably like another layer on the ear top so they don't come up, because that always happens for me. I couldn't find my like popsicle sticks or the brush that I used to spread the glue, so I used my finger. Don't use your finger, child. Get the stuff that you're supposed to use, okay? But after I spread the glue, I get my blow dryer on the cool setting and I blow dry my glue until it's clear. Apply another layer, do the same thing, then pull my lace forward so I can melt it. I'm gonna let it play so you guys can see. After I pull my lace forward, I like to get my blow dryer on the cool setting to melt my lace into my skin a little more. I get my hot comb, push all the hair back, get my elastic band, and tie it tight on my head. This is the most important part of the wig process in my opinion, because you don't want your lace to lift, and the elastic band helps your lace from lifting. It gets that melt like they set into each other. So yeah, after I put the elastic band on my head, I was like, what am I gonna do to this wig? So I was like, let me just do some lazy layers. Believe it or not, I have a better video explaining this wolf cut lazy layer type style on my TikTok or my Instagram. It's a reel. I'm gonna link it, so check it out. On this part, I grab all of the hair and then I cut the end. I did about 2 rubber bands going down. Just wanted to make sure that I keep the hair steady. And I started point cutting it. Okay, so next you gotta take the hair from your ears to the middle of your head and put that in a ponytail. You can use 2 or 3 rubber bands like I did and then cut it. It's only to keep the hair steady. But then after that, you're gonna get the hair from your eyebrow bones, put that in a ponytail, and do the exact same thing. Now, I don't recommend doing this all the time. If you're really lazy like I am, then go ahead and do it. But other than that, I will probably teach y'all how to cut real layers. Now for the styling of this hair, I didn't want it sleek. That's why it's not sleek. I just blow dried it and used my curling iron to curl it so it can look like a blowout. I had to clean up the corners on this lazy layer look. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. But boom, this is what it looks like. It looks like a blowout, right? But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.